What's up guys, Ryan here. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about affiliate marketing, which is something that I haven't put out content related to in the past yet. I may do some more videos because I've seen other YouTubers talking about it as a source of passive income. And it is something that I bring some expertise to because as a web developer, I have generated some websites. I've built some websites by hand from scratch that have generated a ton of organic traffic that I've converted into a little bit of affiliate marketing profits. But today I want to focus specifically on the Printful affiliate program. Now, many of you guys have heard me talk about Printful as a print-on-demand production partner that I use for things like fulfilling orders from my Amazon Seller Central account or my Etsy account. Those are my top two stores. And, I also use some of Printful's competitors so that when I recommend Printful to you as a service, it's from an informed perspective. It's not just that I used Printful and I like it. It's that I've also used their competitors, and there are reasons why I would recommend them over the competition if you had to choose one. That being said, I also want to talk to you about Printful's affiliate program. So those of you that didn't know about it, if someone signs up, and by the way, anybody is eligible for their affiliate program. Just check out the affiliates tab when you log into your Printful account. It's on the left-hand side. But they'll give you an affiliate link, and if someone signs up for Printful to sell through Printful under your link, you will get 10% of their revenue paid to you for life. I mean, it's a crazy good deal. And I want to show you like what kind of, this video is kind of twofold. For one, I want to show you how much money the person who referred me to Printful has made. I don't even know who it is. I can't remember. This was years ago. But I want to show you how much money they've made off of referring just me. And then I want to kind of show you how the people that I've referred to Printful have performed thus far. And hopefully get some feedback on how I can assist you even further. But first, I just want to show you guys, I don't like to just talk about numbers. I like to show you to build this level of trust. This is my Etsy store. I blanked out the account name, but these are the stats for my Etsy store. Lifetime, I've sold $69,000 through Etsy. And this is my Amazon.com Printful integration. I've sold $68,500. And this is my Amazon.co.uk. I've sold $3,836. So if I put all of them together, 69,000, 68.5, and then 3.8, you get $141,364 in sales that I've sold personally through Printful. Now, if we multiply that by 0.1 to represent the 10% affiliate cut that someone got for referring me to Printful, they've made $14,136.41 off of just referring me to Printful. Now, hopefully they remember to check their affiliate settings, because when they do, they will see this, except for they'll see pending commissions, and then at a minimum, they're going to see $14,136. And part of me sharing this is to say, wow, that guy is lucky, or who that person's lucky for getting me to click their link, assuming that I did use an affiliate link. I'm sure I probably did. But also, I want to just show you that like I've generated 1,991 affiliate clicks by talking and blogging about Printful and recommending Printful. I have 101 registered customers, but only 15 of them are active. And there's no catch to using Printful. It's free. Like you literally don't pay anything unless you're selling. So it's hard to lose money unless you misprice your products. So what I really want to know is like, how can I help you guys be more successful selling using the Printful integration? For those of you that aren't familiar, I have a print-on-demand mini course. Let me pull it up real quick. So I've developed a free print-on-demand mini course, and there's always a link in the description that walks you through. Essentially, you sign up. All I need is your first name and your email, completely free. And then you get daily lessons delivered to your inbox for the first 8 days, walking you through step by step, very detailed with videos as well to accompany it, how to start your Printful account and then integrate it with your Etsy shop. And by the way, you're in for $0 at this point. Like there's no money involved. Like you can literally get started for free, and then you pay Etsy 20 cents per listing to sell on their marketplace. It's really a win-win. And my whole goal is to like kind of allow you to learn from me and hopefully get you on your way to success selling on the Etsy marketplace. After those first 8 days too, I'll give you free tidbits of information that are working for me regarding selling print on demand online. Now, If you're new, I also sell on like Amazon merch, and how I kind of classify print on demand is I have Amazon merch in its own bucket because I consider that like the tier 1 highest priority approach to selling print on demand online and generating passive income through selling print on demand online, because it's really an unparalleled opportunity. There's $0 down. You never have to pay for anything. It's pure profit, and there's really no downside. I mean, you have nothing to lose but your time. And if you're successful, like for instance, I have 20,000 upload slots available to me because I've been methodical and I've been consistent in selling through Amazon merch. When I started, I had 10 upload slots, and I had to sell, I think, 8 products to get tiered up from 10 upload slots to 25. And I've just been consistent and stayed the course, stuck with it. And now I have 20,000 upload slots. So anyways, I have a full course that I sell that gives you, through 8 modules, 50 lessons, exactly what I do for Amazon merch. I also have the same for exactly what I do to sell through Amazon FBA, your own branded products. I call these Ryan's Method Passive Income. My third installment of these courses, the paid courses, is going to be called Dropshipped Print on Demand, and it talks about everything I do to be successful selling non-Amazon merch print on demand, which is largely focused on selling through Etsy and selling through Amazon Seller Central, but it's also going to include other things like, I consider them like third tier options, like selling through Spreadshirt, Zazzle, Teespring, TeePublic, Wish. Redbubble is kind of like borderline tier 2, tier 3. I'm sure you can achieve some major success on Redbubble. I just haven't gotten there, so I might consider it tier 3. But the whole point of this is I want to transfer the knowledge to you guys, not just in hopes that you sign up to Printful through my affiliate link and then I can get 10% of your sales, but just that I genuinely care about your success. It's really, to me, I see this as like everybody wins. If you can sign up through my affiliate link, here's how it works. Whether you use anybody's affiliate link or just go to printful.com and sign up, you get the same product pricing. So Printful either gets an extra 10% or someone who referred you does. But I want to incentivize you to use my link by trying to assist you in becoming successful in selling print on demand through Printful to Amazon or Printful to Etsy or Printful to Shopify. I have a Shopify store too. I will be touching on that in the full course, but please just let me know how I can assist you in achieving success. Like you can see here, the 15 active customers out of the 101 registered customers have generated $2,190 of affiliate sales. So that's just really just sales that came through their stores. I know firsthand that over half of that $2,100 came from one person who I was like mentoring and coaching one-on-one, really talking like some more advanced Etsy strategy. We would do like weekly meetups and kind of like approach it like a mastermind where we'd evaluate the most successful Etsy shops, talk strategy about how we can emulate and learn from them, to talk about things like bundling products to get upsells, things like that. And, that person's on their way to being very successful on Etsy. Shout out if you're watching this video. And as a result, that's time well spent because I'm getting kickback when they make sales. And, it's like I get kickback, they're making profit selling things, and their customers are happy because I really like Printful's products. And, if they're quality designs on quality product, everybody wins. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. Please don't hold back. Let me know what questions you have. If you have ideas for videos, just shout it out. Let me know in the comments. You can also, if you sign up for the free mini course, which there's always a link in the description, you can always respond to those emails. I read and respond to everything. I'm also available on Facebook Messenger through most of the day. And, you can trust me. I publish these transparent monthly income reports. If you guys are new to my channel, check out my most recent passive income report. I'll try to remember to put it in the YouTube cards as well. So there should just be a link above my head. I want to let you guys know that when I give you these numbers, these figures, and I talk about projecting how to be successful with your e-commerce businesses, it's based on my experiences. It's not based on theory. There's way too many people on YouTube talking about things in theory. There needs to be more just showing the real figures, right? So that's why I invest so much time each month to generate these passive income reports, I do a nice in-depth blog post on my website, and then I also always accompany that with a YouTube video, because I know not everybody goes to my website or YouTube. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, informative, something entertaining at least. If you liked it, hit that like button. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We're going to be talking about how you can be successful in e-commerce in 2019, 2020, and onwards. I'm going to be telling you what's working for me, and I'm going to be telling you my thoughts towards the future. So anyways, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you at the next video.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.